Hello all. Today I'm going to show you how to retrieve older emails in Outlook. Sometimes the emails which is actually older than a year or maybe a 6 months will not be visible when you search. So if you are missing some emails which you already received, so this is what you have to do to fix it. So first you have to go to File and then you have to go to Account Settings here. Just click Account Settings and just select this. In the account settings, you just have to find your account. So your account will be mentioned here. You just double click this account. So by default, this will be the cached mode. That means like downloading the offline, the older contents that might be by default set for 1 year. So what you can do is like you can just have to extend it based on it. So if you want all, then please choose all. So once you do that, and you can press next. So after doing the settings, after you do a restart of your Outlook, then you can see like all the older emails will start loading. It might take like half an hour to download, but all the older emails, it will simply start downloading and it will be available in your Outlook for search. And let's see the next option, what we can do. For example, if it's due to some corrupted Outlook, you can simply go to File, you can go to Options. In the options, you have an option which is called Search. Okay, so if you go to the search, you can have an option here like if you want to do it in all the mailbox, please choose result in all the mailbox. So it will by default search for all the mailbox for the content. That's one option you can choose. And the second thing is like indexing option. So for example, if your index file is corrupted, that can also create problem with finding emails and all. So what you can do, you can just go the indexing options, just select Microsoft Outlook, then go to advanced option here. And here you can have an option like delete and rebuild. So if you use this option, what it will do is like it delete all the caches and it start again rebuilding your index so that your search can be even quicker, and also you can easily find if any data is missing in from the previous search or something. So this will also improve your Outlook. So these are the two tips which you can do it if you face this issue, and it's definitely solve these problems. So thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.